Welcome back to What is School of Languages. My people, how are you doing, class? Hello. Will you keep quiet, sit down, and have a good time with me? Today, I shall bring you revision on French alphabet. In my previous video, together we studied the French alphabet from A to Z. Quickly, let me mention them before we come to today's lesson. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, that was what we studied last time. So today, we shall continue from where we stopped. I also taught you how they sound in isolation. Today, we are going to do same as part of the learning of French alphabet. Please stop making noise and pay attention. When you take your French book of French literacy and numeracy skills, do you have your book with you where you may find yourself? This is the book that you are using. So kindly open your bag and take this book. And you open to the page where the lesson is so that you can do all the activities in the book after the lesson. All right, thank you. We are going to start today's lesson by pronouncing the French alphabet once again. This time around, we'll take them one after the other. As I pronounce the letter, you pronounce after me. And you see that after the pronunciation, you also have the sounds when the letters stand in isolation. Isolation means when it stands alone without being in a word. So let's quickly have a look at them. We are quickly having a look at them. Ah. Say ah. Again, ah. This is how it sounds in isolation. Ah. Ah. Can you repeat? Ah. Ah. Let's go to the next one. B. B. Again, B. 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 C. 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 D. 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 So we have A, B, C, D. Again, A, B, C, D. Can you read them? Yes. D, correct. Thank you. Let's go to the next batch of letters. A, 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 E, E, F, 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 G, 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 G. I hope you are okay. Yes, I can hear you. Ash, 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 ash. Let's read them again. E, 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 F, 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 G, 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 ash, ash, ash. Please read on your own. You start. Yes. Yes. And ash, correct. I hope you have them right. So let's continue. E, 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 G, 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 K, 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 L, 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 look at my tongue, L, 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 M, 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 N, 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 O, 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 P, 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 Q, 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 R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 T. Let's read them again. Q, R, S, T. Now you read. And T, correct. Clap for yourself. You've done well. Clap. Good. We continue. U, 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 V, 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 W. Why are you laughing? W. Yes, that's it. That's the pronunciation. W. Again, W. 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 Good. Let's read. U. U. V. V. W, W, X, 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 Y, 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 Z, 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 Z. Can we read together? Let's go. X, X, Y, 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 Z, Z, Z. All right. I hope you had a nice time with me. Before I conclude for this lesson, I entreat you to read the letters once again by watching this video. Parents are advised to subscribe for your words on our YouTube channel. What is School of Languages? What is School of Languages? And this lesson is also on hard copy in our book here. You have the lessons here in this book. So for the child to practice at home, when you subscribe, you need to get the book along. Thank you very much. In my next video, I will bring you a song about French alphabet. Song about French alphabet. You love it because I know that with songs, we also learn. To make the class interactive, you watch the song that follows. Thank you very much. Merci. Au revoir.